Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be going to pick up a feed grinder I bought last night. I'm going to go with the 170 and get hooked up to it and see if we can't drag it out of the barn it's sitting in. Hopefully get it back here and we'll see if it all works. Alright, here we go. Got it all loaded up. It does have a flat tire, so I'm bringing a spare and a air compressor gun and some tools. We'll see. Hopefully I can get this thing back. Well, here it is. Gehl 100. It's got a flat tire over here. Let's see if it won't take any air, or I got a spare to change over if I need to. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Well, I was kind of surprised. That tire actually held some air. Some. I guess the real test will be if it gets home or not. But there she is. Hopefully she makes it home. Well, made it home all right. That tire held the whole way here. A little flat now, but still got some air in it. Looked it over. It's got a few problems. Got some holes in it need patched. Down there, hole. But for what I paid for it, ain't too bad. All the augers and everything work on it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash it all off, and gonna have to patch up those couple of holes, and I think it will work.
Well, it looks like I'm out of gas. I guess that's it. Cleaned up all right. So definitely gonna have to do some patching. I'll have to get a piece of tin to block off that hole there. And there's a couple little holes in the roof. There's some holes they started to patch down here. It's gonna need actually patched. Down there, you can see the hole a little bit better there. Oh yeah. Need some work, but said for the price I paid for it, it's not too bad of a deal. Probably needs a new belt. I think it's getting pretty bad. Yeah. Well, it's all washed off. Now I'm going to go ahead and oil the chains up and get everything else all ready before I patch that hole. And hopefully it seems like everything's going to work on here. Once I get that main hole patched, I think I'll be able to grind some feed. Go ahead and oil these chains up. Let's see here. One down here. Oh, where's that at? There it is. Some more chains in here. That oiled. This old cable pulley's oiled. See up there. Over here. Let's see. That's better, not squeaking so much. Let's see about this door right here. She's a little stuck. See if we can get some oil in there. There we go, that's a little better. Well, that'll about do it for today. Overall, not too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you all for watching, and hope you have a good day.